Morning. Let's check the surfactants and fragrance oils first. Sounds good, they're all secured. Looks good, signing off. Pass, please. Here you are. Bag is clear, you're good. Next. Ready to load. Clear. Backing in.
Initiating transfer sequence now. Copy that, monitoring levels. Flow is steady, no anomalies.
Flow looks steady. Level is rising as expected.
Initiating pipeline transfer now. Copy that, I'm heading over to monitor. Okay, standing by. Looks good from here.
Pression stabilisée. Passage à la filtration. Reçu. Vérification des joints. Confirmé. Prochain cycle dans 5.
Flow rates are stable. Check the secondary filters. Copy that, valves are set.
Steady flow. Keep it even.
Got it, almost done.
Good. Close it up. Line 3, check. Thickeners are flowing smoothly. Roger that. I'll adjust the feed rate. Levels are stable, continuing the cool cycle. Level is rising steadily. Pressure holding steady. Good. Monitor the flow. Batch looks good. All right, initiating the transfer sequence now. Copy that. Flow is starting. Levels are rising. Look at the window. Confirmed. All systems are nominal. Adjusting the cooling rate for optimal viscosity. The temperature is stabilizing now. Flow rate is stable. Vortex looks good. Agreed. The viscosity is consistent. Good. Let's check the pressure gauge. Pressure is nominal. This batch viscosity looks good. Agreed. I'll adjust the flow rate. Good. Keep an eye on the levels. Check the flow rate on this batch.
It's steady. Inspecting one now.
Good. Keep it consistent.